Carpets may contain hair buckle, pin, stone, coin, dust, dirt and other foreign materials. The presence of so many foreign substances inside the carpet can cause a lot of damage to the carpet washing machine and the carpet during washing. Flap 3000 removes dust, dirt and foreign materials from the carpets. For this reason it is very important to right the carpets before washing. Euromak carpet dust remover machines, which are user-friendly in terms of quality, power and design, are specially produced for its customers by Euromak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to know us better and watch more videos.